Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. It's a short video again. Let us start off with this Christmas cactus. It's the cutting which my younger cousin just gave me on Sunday, and as it was too dehydrated, I kept it dipped in the water and finally have repotted them. Now these are my geranium. Right now I'll be showing you two pots. These are the cuttings and this is the development that has taken place. This is the first one. As it was too tall, I have tied it to a stick. Actually, I've given them a support. This is another one. Actually, I'll not be able to show you all of it together because it has now been moved to a dry spot and it is doing well. Wait, let me show you the sky today. It is gloomy and overcast, but it is not raining, thank God. Now this is the geranium which I got from Kaohsiung. I think you all are tired hearing who gave me, so I'll just mention that it is from Kaohsiung. So if you all have watched my plant videos, you all very well know who has given me these. Now again, this is also a plant given to me by my cousin, the elder one. It was a tiny one and now it is doing just wonderful. You must be wondering, she's got crazy. Every day she's showing the burrows tail. Now the reason is here. One of the leaf had dropped and look at that in the middle. It has already started developing tiny leaves. Now that's my Graptoveria pulvinate ruby, which has turned green now, but during the winter sun it is going to look just wonderful. Turns ruby red. Now moving on to my Graptoveria lovely rose. This had started rotting and I removed it from the soil, chopped the rotten end, and when it started rooting again after leaving it to air dry, finally I have placed it in the soil. This frilly Graptoveria was also going through the same state and finally it is also back in the soil after I noticed tiny pink roots. Hope so it does not rot. It has been moved to a dry spot now. Let's keep the fingers crossed. That's my calico kitten. This is the green one. Earlier I had calico kitten, but it used to turn pink during the winter sun, but in this particular plant there is no color change, but I like the way it is. Moving on to my ZZ plant. This is the black ZZ. Finally the leaves have matured, so it is turning deep green, from where it gets its name, the black ZZ. Look at this pretty one. This is the painted lady, or the miniature form of wandering Jew. I think already I have about 4 to 5 varieties of wandering Jew in my collection. One day I'm going to line them up and show it to you. Look at that. What a pretty color, and the color gets more intense during this when exposed to the sun. Oh my God, this is my Chinese dung scab, one of the succulent which is very close to my heart. Look at it, how happily it is growing. Thanks for growing, my dear. And then let us move on to the snake plant, and they are all ready to be propagated, but I'm fearing I'm just going to wait for 2 more months, that is July and August, before I remove or before I separate them, so that I can share with my near and dear ones who have asked for the plant. So thank you, my friends, for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, to consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, be safe, be happy, and keep watching Plants Crushed Cooking and more.